Disney's The Little Mermaid. Ariel's father, King Triton, found out that she had been swimming to the ocean's surface, even though it was forbidden.
"Keep an eye on Ariel,"
the king ordered the court composer, Sebastian.
"Don't let her go near any humans."
But Sebastian could not stop Ariel. One day, she approached a sailing ship where she spied a handsome prince named Eric. Suddenly, a terrible storm arose. Ariel saw Prince Eric fall overboard. "I've got to save him!" cried Ariel. She found the prince and pulled him to safety. Before Eric awoke, Ariel sang to him. She thought he was the most wonderful human she'd ever seen. Long after Ariel returned to the sea, Eric could hear her beautiful voice in his dreams. King Triton found out that Ariel had disobeyed him once again.
"I told you to stay away from humans!"
he shouted. "But, Daddy, I love him!" Ariel cried. She had to see Prince Eric again. Later that day, Ariel went to Ursula, the evil sea witch. Ursula promised to turn Ariel into a human, for a price. "You must give me your voice," Ursula commanded. "And if your prince doesn't kiss you in 3 days, you belong to me." Ariel agreed to give Ursula her voice. Within seconds, she had human legs and could no longer swim. Sebastian and Flounder had to help her to shore. When Prince Eric found Ariel, he did not know who she was. "You can't speak?" he asked. "Then you can't be who I thought you were. I'll help you. Come on, I'll take you to the palace." On the second day of Ariel's visit, Prince Eric took her on a tour of his kingdom. They went for a romantic boat ride in the lagoon. But before Eric could kiss her, Ursula's nasty eels overturned the boat. Ursula knew she needed to take matters into her own tentacles. So she changed herself into a beautiful girl named Vanessa. Ariel's voice was tucked safely inside his shell, around Vanessa's neck. As soon as Eric heard the voice, he became hypnotized. He agreed to marry Vanessa that very day aboard his wedding boat. Ariel's friend Scuttle the seagull discovered Ursula's trick. He led an army of birds and sea creatures to the boat, hoping to stop the wedding. In the struggle, Vanessa's necklace shattered. Instantly, Eric awoke from his spell and Ariel got her voice back. Now she could finally tell Eric who she really was. But just then, the sun set and Ariel was turned back into a mermaid. The sea witch grabbed her and dived overboard. Eric followed them into the sea. He fought Ursula with all his strength and wits and finally destroyed her. At last, Ariel was back with her father under the sea. But she was very unhappy. Now she and her prince would never be together. Even King Triton could see how unhappy Ariel was.
She really does love him, doesn't she?
The king asked Sebastian. Sebastian nodded yes, and King Triton knew what he must do. The Sea King waved his trident, making Ariel human again. Soon, Eric and Ariel were wed. Ariel said goodbye to her friends under the sea. She and her prince would be together forever. The Little Mermaid's wish had finally come true. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and check out some of my other Disney stories. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today. See you next time.